you want to make steak this good, let me show you how. I am Mpho Nkom, pitmaster and owner of Something Smoked Roadhouse BBQ in Soweto. Today I'm making reverse-seared tomahawk steak. That's what I do. So I'm gonna trim and season the tomahawk steak. Fat is flavor. You can render it down to use it for tallow, or you can use it for sausages if you make your own homemade sausages. So I'm using olive oil as a binder for our seasoning to stick. The first is pepper, salt, and then garlic, paprika. Just go high so you can control your distribution. Because when you go low, you can put much here, little here, much here. So when you're up there, you can control it. Flip it up and do the other side, and don't forget to do the sides. So not doing the sides, it's rookie move. And you can also dip just to get the sides. We are done with the seasoning. So we're gonna put it on the cooling rack in the fridge for 2 hours so the salt and spices penetrate. So we are making a pico de gallo. So it's almost like a salsa. Tomatoes. So I remove the pips because I don't want too much juice in the salsa. Chili, red onion, coriander, and a lime. This is our tomahawk steak. So we're gonna put it on this side where it's cool. Here's our pecan wood for flavor. So we're gonna put it until it reaches a certain temperature. Then we'll move it over direct heat. Bye-bye. You should talk to your meat. We put our meat at the cool zone, so when the vent pulls the smoke, it goes over our meat, and then put it on direct heat to create a crust and lock in the juices. Now that the steak has rested, we're gonna cut it through. Wow, I can taste the smokiness from the pecan wood. How do you like your steak? Let me know in the comment section.